Hi everybody, I'm Janice, the owner of Magic Hair Company located here in Culver City, and today I'm going to show you how to put on one of our amazing front lace units. The unit we're using today is unit 221. All of the details on this unit are available at magichaircompany.com, where you will also find our full product line. I like to start with the edge tamer. I put a little bit of that right around my hairline. I brush these hairs back into place, and then I put my tan wig cap on. Next, you will see the inside of the wig construction. If you decide you want to adjust the cap size, you can simply unhook this right here. These are on both sides of the unit, right at the nape, and then you're going to hook them like so, wherever they most comfortably fit. Step one with putting the unit on, you want to make sure that the tag and back comb are facing away from you. Grab this elastic band here, and then you're going to grab the back of the unit here. You're going to place this comb either above or in front of the elastic band, wherever it fits you most comfortably. You're going to flip this unit right into place here. Then you're going to decide if you want to wear the unit in front of your hairline, at your hairline, or behind your hairline. I like to put mine right at the hairline here. As you can see how natural this hairline looks on this unit from Magic Hair Company. Once again, this is unit 221, available at magichaircompany.com, where we can custom create a unit for you, or you can pick out one of our beautiful units already available. Shop with us today, in store or online.